Okay, students, after a very short break, we are again here. Okay, now see, I am going to start the tsunami part 2. Let us start. Tilly Smith, as we have seen three incident. In part 1, we have seen three incident. Only Almas was saved, and every family member was Sanjeev, whether it is Almas, every family member was swept away with water due to this destruction, due to these destructive waves of tsunami. As we have seen, what is tsunami? Tsunami is the earthquake on in the crust of the earth, and due to that earthquake, the waves are going to bigger and bigger, and it damages the surface of the earth, and it mostly is damages the coastal line. Okay, now see, Tilly Smith, a British schoolgirl, was able to save many lives when tsunami struck Phuket beach in Thailand. Though she was won a number of awards, her parents have not allowed their daughter to be interviewed with television and made into a heroine. Why do you think they they took that decision? Yes, parents, because parents are more experienced persons, you know. So their decision is very clean and clear. They don't want any type of publicity. So Tilly Smith, as she was awarded by many awards in the past, till her parents did not want to their daughter to be a heroine or to be on a television. Okay, now see, I am going to start. This is Tilly Smith, part number 2. Now here is a story from Thailand. The Smith family from southeast England were celebrating Christmas at a beach resort. In southern Thailand, Tilly Smith was a 10-year-old schoolgirl. Her sister was 7 years old. Their parents were Penny and Colin Smith. It was 26th December 2004. Deadly tsunami waves were already on their way. They had been triggered by a massive earthquake. Massive earthquake means dangerous earthquake of northern Sumatra earlier that morning. As we have already seen in India, that destructive waves hamper our Andaman and Nicobar Island, and here in Thailand they hamper this family and this coastal line, where in southeast England Smith family was celebrating Christmas at a beach resort. You know, beach resort, you know. Now see what happened on that day. They had been triggered by a massive earthquake on northern Sumatra earlier that morning. The water was swelling and kept coming in. Penny Smith remembered the beach was getting smaller and smaller. I didn't know what was happening. Here another character is Penny Smith, and she is saying, I didn't know water is coming towards us, but I didn't know what was happening. But Tilly Smith sensed that something was wrong. है ना, as you people are also very matured, and sometimes you also judge, you can judge something is going wrong. Her mind kept going back to a geography lesson she had taken in the her geography lesson she had taken in England just 2 weeks before she flew out to Thailand with her family. As her teacher had taught her a lesson just a few weeks before, and that lesson, what was that lesson? It was a geography lesson. Here you should know it was a geography lesson. And what she was thinking about, before some weeks she was taught that lesson. Okay, now see, Tilly saw the sea slowly rise and start to foam. You know foam? Whenever you rub your hand wash, whenever you rub soap on your hands, then foam is there. है ना, foam मतलब झाग. Bubble and from whirlpools. It was and from whirlpools. Whirlpools means a large waves. She remembered that she had seen this in class, in a video of tsunami, and this was the picture. This explanation she had seen in her class in a video of tsunami that had hit the Hawaiian island in 1946. She already seen this type of video in her class lesson. Her geography teacher has shown her class the video and told them that tsunamis can be caused by earthquakes, volcanoes, and landslides. Tilly started to scream at her family to get rid of the beach. She talked about an earthquake under the sea. She got more and more hysterical. Now, see, what is the meaning of hysterical? When you are hysterical, you shout, laugh, or cry in a wild, excited way without control over yourself. Hysterical, it means in Hindi you can say that पागलों के जैसा बिहेव करना और पागलों के जैसा हंसना. ओके, नाउ सी. And Tilly's parents took her and her sister away. एक minute, I am going to explain first this. Tilly started scream at her family to get off the beach. Okay, she suggested her family, please leave the beach immediately. She talked about an earthquake under the sea, and she got more and more hysterical, said her mother Penny. What her mother is describing about Tilly, that she was screaming, she was crying like anything, please leave the beach, leave the beach. I didn't know what the tsunami was, but seeing my daughter so frightened, I thought something serious must be going on. Her mother is saying, I know my daughter, and if she is crying or she is screaming, I don't know what is tsunami. But as she is crying, I definitely don't know how something is going on wrong. Something is going on wrong. Okay, now see, Tilly's parents took her and her sister away from the beach to the swimming pool. At the hotel, a number of other tourists also left the beach with them. They also took all the people who were at the hotel, and then it was if the entire sea had come out after them. I was screaming, run. The family took refuge in the third floor of the hotel. They went away at the third floor. The building withstood to the surge of 3 tsunami waves. If they had stayed on the beach, they would not have been alive. Are you getting my point? This is the most important thing. If they will stay on the beach, they will not be alive. The Smiths later met other tourists who had lost entire families. Thanks to Tilly and her geography lesson, they had been forewarned. Forewarned means पहले ही इशारा मिल जाना. Thanks to Tilly and her geography lesson, because of the Smith family and other members in the hotel were saved. Tilly went back to her school in England and told her classmates her terrifying tale. Okay, so she went back to her school and told her classmates the terrifying tale. Okay, now we are going to stop here. In another video I will elaborate you part third or with more incidents. Okay, so take care of you.